Hi there. Well, I've got these brilliant new Japanese watercolours and they're called Gansai Tambi. They were gifted to me by a friend. An awesome present because I've got 2 sets of 12. They're all different colours. So I thought it might be quite fun if I did a sort of unboxing of them for you, and then if I sort of tested them to show you how they look. So, whoops, I'm sitting in my art space in my garage, and that whirring sound is the clothes dryer, so hopefully you'll still be able to hear me okay. So, yes, they come in this pack, and it looks like I can just open the back like this. It's got a lot of Japanese on it. So the colours, they look so juicy and bright. So there's a little cover there. And then this is the box, which is awesome. Look at that, with beautiful gold writing on it. And there's no actual names to the colours. Let's see. Just given a number. I wonder if there's a way of finding out what it relates to in terms of the Western colours, you know. This one, through my phone, it looks really orange, but in real life it's a kind of pillar box red. So that is very weird for starters, if I'm going to demonstrate it to you. I wonder if it's to do with this colour light. Let's see. We'll leave it on that light because that seems to be the best representation. So yeah, they've just got numbers. Green. Oh no, this has got a sap green. Did I miss it on that one? Hang on. No, some do, some don't. Let's see what this one is. No, number 36. This one has lemon yellow. Interesting. That's those ones. They're lovely. And then these ones, I mean, this first lot, they look quite familiar in terms of the colours that you might get in a Western palette, you know, but these ones look quite different. These look like they're colours that you would mix, you know, and come up with. You'll have to forgive me because I'm not very technically proficient in terms of things, you know what I mean? So, anyway. So, these are the same, they've got a cover. And they come in a lovely box. Ooh, look at that green! So vivid. That one just has a number. And this one, number 48, looks. Oh no, see, it's different. They're all different. So, also, they had names. Aha, this is where you find the names. They're on the front. But I'm not really going to keep this, I don't think. So what I thought I would do, I've got a new watercolour journal. This is going to be my Gansai Tambi journal. And I've made a grid, and what I'll do now is I'll write the names of the colours. I'll have one, oops, I'm getting really messy as usual. One lot for that, and then those two going down there. And I'll put the names in, and then I'll be able to come back and we'll go through with the different colours and seeing how they look on the paper. Okay, so the first thing that I don't quite like about these is that they're in this box, and I'm a very, very messy person, so, and even more messy painter. So I'm already worried that I'm going to start messing up the box. But anyway, I've written all the names in my grid, and so it correlates to the way it's laid out in the box. But I'm putting it this way because otherwise it will be out of shot. So let's see what it's like. I mean, to start with, they feel kind of they feel plasticky actually. Well, anyway, so this is the first one, which is just called Red. Oh, that's a nice red. So, trying to do it neatly. So those were the first set, and they're quite Western. They've got the rose madder, viridian, indigo, burnt sienna, yellow ochre. But this set are a bit more unusual, so I'm quite looking forward to trying these ones out. So first one is cherry blossom, ooh, which is a gorgeous colour pink. And it's nice putting it next to the rose madder because you can see how the two colours work together. Oh, that's a lovely colour. Really creamy. there we are. So if I had to buy just one palette, I think it would definitely be this one. And I don't know what they actually call it, but it's this one. Let's cut these in. Because I just love, this would be me sort. The only thing I would change, if I could, would be to have maybe a sap green instead of a lime green, because it would be more different from the yellow, if you see what I mean. But that's just being picky. Otherwise, that is a great palette, because the cobalt blue can go quite deep when you layer it, and this horizon like sky blue is lovely. Actually, I don't know if you can see the difference on the screen, but in real life this is slightly more turquoisey than that one. These are lovely too though. I mean, what I'm noticing is that they're sort of really lovely to go on, they're sort of creamy. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try wet on wet and see how these paints behave together, because I love trying things out like that. So okay, so I've wet the paper and I've made up small amounts of a few different colours. So this is the cherry blossom pink, and then this is the cobalt blue, greenish yellow, ultramarine, sap green and red. So I'm just wondering how they're going to work on the wet. I'm just waiting for it to go off a bit. Oh well, it's gone a bit. So, what should we paint? I don't know. So my last bit of playing around demonstrating, I'm desperately keen to have a go with these fleshy ones that might be good for faces. So I've got a face here I drew ages ago, and I thought I'd have a go with shading it using the beige and the rose beige, and maybe a bit of the, I think that is red, Indian red, and burnt umber. Hang on. Indian red, oh it's maroon. Well anyway, I thought I'd have a go. Here we go. So I'm going to go around how I'd normally do it. I'm going to use this one, which is this gorgeous beige colour, which I think is gorgeous.